Hi there DeeperNauts and welcome to this Sunday's video, which is for the 8th of October 2023. You know how it goes by now. Got a new backdrop because that planet thing, that blue planet thing was pissing me off, so we've got this new one now. There you go, look. That's going to piss me off in about a week or so. So Twitter, Deeper Networks, they've been pretty quiet. They haven't really submitted anything which is that groundbreaking. They've obviously been pushing the air, which has about, I think, 7 days left. So if you haven't got yours, get yours. Secret link is in the thing below to get it for $99. And they did tweet out one of their little tutorial things, how to purchase BNB. The vast majority of people have already know how to buy BNB. It's pretty easy. But if you don't, then the link for that tutorial is in the description below. So check it out. We also have this as well. I just thought it was kind of good to put it out there that it's basically saying that there's no fees if you have a device, and there's no logs, safeguard your online activities, mask your IP address, which is pretty cool, and encrypt your data. So we already knew all this stuff really. If you've been part of the project for a long time, you know how the devices work, so you don't need me to tell you. But yeah, so pretty cool. So Eric Mar's said a couple of things. Again, nothing that groundbreaking, but there was one thing that really stood out, and it's basically this guy. So I'm going to assume it's a guy because I don't know how their names all work. However, the system will not let me set a lower limit. I was able to set it to 20 megabytes also in the past. And basically what he's saying is he is trying to set a cap on the amount of data he shares to 500 megabytes per month. That's what he was doing. What the first tweet that he wrote said. Then Eric Mark comes back and says this was part of a recent update. Minimum sharing was increased, and he goes on to say it's 15 megabits per second, which is speed. It's not an amount. So there's a bit of confusion there. However, Eric Mark did say in the tweet that the speed has now been set to a minimum of 15 megabits per second, which is going to help the network to no end. If you're only sharing 500 megabits of information a month because you want to get your credit score and stuff, yeah, why don't you just leave it off? Just share as much as you can. I mean, are you paying per like byte or something? Just leave it. If Deeper Network are watching this or they hear it, please get rid of all the restrictions concerning that. Just don't give people the ability to cap the speeds. I mean, I don't share anywhere near enough to even impact the network that I'm on. And I mean, I think I've met one guy who had incredible share stats, and he was a bit sick of it. For his case, I think he actually had a defective device. I think it was on some kind of loop. But if Deep is watching this, it's going to help the network no end if you just don't give people the ability to share just enough to make their node completely useless to everybody, but then give them the credit score. Make them actually contribute to the network and help the network so that it's something people want to use. And we've had discussions about this in the past on Facebook and stuff, and Discord as well, and it gets a little bit heated. But in the end, most people want the caps to be removed so that the network can actually be used and people really enjoy it. So, I'm sorry, but it really annoys me. Alright. Yeah, so anyway, let's move on, and hopefully they'll do all that in future updates. Another tweet from Eric, he's just basically saying that RustDesk has been updated recently. It's very much worth the setup. Remote access home computer is very quick and snappy. Here's how to set up, and the link for that will be in the description below. Somebody did reply to this and say, looks risky, and Eric said, well, it's better than TeamViewer. And didn't TeamViewer have like a hack? I'm pretty sure they did. And obviously you've got scammers who love TeamViewer because it's so easy and unrestricted. Okay, so now let's get on with the token price. Now, the token, as you've probably seen in the previous videos, it doesn't really move up ever. No, it does, just not a lot. And this week is no exception. It's gone down again, but not by much. So we started the week at 0.002908 and we ended the week at 0.00285. So we've gone down 0.00058. So, you know, it's not a lot, but it all adds up, and we've lost one rank, so we are now 884 out of however many billions of projects there are out there. I mean, if you look at the rank, it's not that bad, really. I mean, you know, it's still a decent rank, but yeah, bring back 10 cents a token. That's what I want. But hey, can't have everything. Okay, so if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe to this video and this channel so you can watch all the other videos that comes out. I do one a week plus the updates. That's 2 videos a week. Validator. On the hardware front, nothing. But on DPR, I've now got 380,609 DPR. That's of 1 million that I actually need, and I've got $241 in my affiliate account. So that is 85,000 DPR roughly, which means I've got around about 465,000 DPR. So I'm almost halfway to getting a node. By the next update, I will be halfway, which is really cool. So please use the code in the store, and yeah, brilliant. So that's it. That is your update for the 8th of October. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on Friday for the next video. Alright, thanks guys, bye bye.